My neighborhood grocery store had a good deal on pork tenderloins, so I naturally sprung at the opportunity and came up with this elegant stir-fry dish. Pork tenderloin is extremely lean and tender. The grain of the meat runs along the cut like a rich river of flavor. I slightly freeze my pork tenderloin before the slicing, so I want to cut against the grain at a bias. I want strips, not chunks. Then we cut across that. Once we have this all cut up, we do a simple overnight marinade. This is where this gets really remedial. We're going to make a teriyaki sauce with a lot of the usual suspects. Soy sauce, brown sugar, cider vinegar, minced garlic, minced ginger, some red pepper flakes. Then you thicken it up with a little 1-to-1 cornstarch to water slurry. Fry the meat over medium-high heat. If you have a wok, feel free to wok and roll. The great thing about this recipe is you just brown up the meat, put in the peppers, and add the sauce, and just let it roll. This is a superb weeknight recipe. Once the marinated pork is close to done, we add this luscious sauce and let it softly boil. You would never find this on any Chinese restaurant's menu. Oh yeah, it's Asian, but it's Americanized Asian.